Good versus well. Good. It is an adjective and it is used to describe nouns. For example, this cake is good. You can see here good describes a noun which is cake, that how is the taste of this cake. Next, she has a good health. In this example, you can also see that good is used to describe noun which is health. Now well, it is an adverb and it is used to describe verbs. For example, she writes well. Here well describes a verb writes which tells us how she writes. Next, Ali played well. In this example, you can also see well is used to describe the verb which is played, that how an action was performed by Ali. Some more examples. She has a dash teacher. Good teacher. I am feeling dash today. Well today. The team worked dash together. Well together. This restaurant serves dash food. Good food. The hotel room is dash. Good. The car runs dash. Well.